I got all the old carpet out. I've just got to go around the edges, clean all the remnants up, and this thing's got a million staples. You'd think these guys get paid by the staple, but got to get all them up. So that's what I'm working on now. Well, we're making some progress. It's slow. Had to build those boxes, or cover those boxes, because they had carpet on them. And I'm coming out with the floor. It's getting faster because they're bigger pieces, but I've still got to. I've done the box on this side, but I still got to do that area between the bed and the bookshelf, and then come out this way. And I don't have a. It just comes to out there. I think it'll look pretty good. Be better than that old nasty carpet. Okay, that's where we're at right now. I'm having to kind of work this way, then I'm going to have to work back and cut that off to where it'll all match up, because I don't know if that's the way you do it or not, but that's why the only way I can see to do it. Because if I was just to come out all the way on this side and then all the way on this side, they might not be equal. I guess maybe I should have started here and worked back. I don't know. But anyway, this is going to work out. It's just kind of tedious and time consuming, but we'll get it. It's going to be a whole lot cleaner and easy to clean than what it was. And I think I've got it so tight around the edges, I don't think we need any kind of a quarter round or any kind of molding. I've got a transfer strip to put across here. But anyway, that's where I'm at now. Okay, we got it done, all except for the transition strip. I think it turned out pretty good. Shadow there makes it look different. I'm going to put the vent cover back on. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Okay, that's it. All I've got left to do is put the bed platform back on. With the floor's finished. I've got it so tight around the sides, I don't think it needs any kind of trim. And I've got the new handles and shower head installed on the shower. And then I've got the new toilet put in. Got the slow close lids on it. We got a new sink put in, new faucets, and I'm in the process of getting some new handles. We went to Home Depot, found some we liked, but the spacing was just a little bit different. So we're going to go to Lowe's and look and see what they've got there. But we're getting it in shape. We're going to try to take a trip this weekend, Labor Day weekend. So we're trying to get everything where we feel like it's clean, and at least it'll be our germs. I've still got to shampoo this carpet. But anyway, thanks for watching, and if you want to see some more RV remodel videos, please subscribe for future updates. Appreciate you watching. Bye.